Let's go.
That's what I'm saying. Why? Now they're arresting me, Mom! Mom!
On this ride along, an officer talks to a super daddy-o, another picks up a sandal, and a woman shows her surprised face. On March 13th, an officer was investigating a hit-and-run after a Ford Explorer had changed lanes and struck a GMC Sierra. The driver of the Ford would claim that was not the case, though.
He's saying this side of the car is what struck his car. I don't see where this side of the car
I hit his car?
That's what he's saying.
I was behind. He was behind me.
Man. Hey.
No, man.
Hey,
Let me get his insurance
listen.
information.
No,
That's crazy.
All right, because
I even went to go talk to him, and it's on camera.
Yeah. So it's on whose camera?
It's on the camera up there. I just went to go talk to him.
Well,
I know the people up there.
Yeah, but which
at
camera?
The gas station.
At the gas station. All right. How do you know she went into the other lane?
I mean, like, it's on the camera right now.
Oh, okay.
She turned into.
Oh, yeah.
I know they told her, like, hey, it looks like you turned into his lane, but she said she came out, but you went to the other lane and came back in.
Hey, how you doing?
Good.
Whose vehicle is that? Is that your mom's?
Yes.
Okay, is your mom here too?
No, she's not.
Okay. I looked at the video.
Uh-huh.
It's not benefiting you.
Why not? He hit me from behind if he hit me.
Ma'am, you're in the other lane, you crossed in front of him. Okay? So you can't do that.
Uh-huh.
All right, so what I need is your license and insurance to the vehicle.
For him hitting me from behind.
I need your information. Now, you left the scene of a crash. We're not going to go down this leaving the scene of a crash.
Are you being serious right now?
Being serious.
Okay, give me a second.
Okay,
Thank you. I'm finna shut this
trust
door.
me.
I have somebody in here.
I need.
Okay, yeah. Uh-huh.
Yep. 221 City. You got another unit close by? Yeah, I'm code 4, but just in case, subject is not too happy.
I can give him the insurance information.
Yeah.
Because he's saying that if anything he hit me from behind, right? So why should I give him my insurance information?
Ma'am, it's a crash. I need everybody's information. It's being documented.
Yeah, but that's not what you said when you first left here. Listen.
Okay. He wants to report. I watched the video. You want to report as well because you thought he's at fault. Unfortunately,
no, because he is at fault.
You want to see the video?
Yeah, I do want to see it.
I got a supervisor come too. They can explain that to you as well. But if you want, you didn't stop and you admitted.
I came from out of there to come into there.
I'm trying to make
this
simple.
So,
Let's not make this difficult.
Trying to make it simple because now you're trying to make it like it was my fault.
When it is your fault.
When it hit me
it is your fault. Tell your mom come home. She can look at the video. It is your fault. Unfortunately, it is your fault. You can't leave one lane and cut in front of somebody, ma'am.
It's not.
No. When you cut in front of somebody, you want to see the video?
I do want to see it.
Okay, I'm bringing it up for you. Come here, watch. And if your mom comes home, she can watch it and she'll be like, "Oh my God!" You pull out, you cross over into the other far lane. He comes up along the side of you. You cut in front of him.
He's
you are.
He's in the back of me. I didn't even hit him. What are you talking about?
You left the lane.
Where's the crash at?
Ma'am, you left the lane.
Where's the crash at?
I'm gonna show you.
Where did it get hit at? Where did he get hit at?
You'll see. He's got damage on the front of his car.
No, he does.
I told you that damage here matches up with the damage on his car.
Look at the video. Look.
Yeah,
he would have hit me from the back, bro. Are you serious? Are you serious
right now?
Mom, listen.
Tell her to come home.
Talk to this man.
Yep.
Because I'm not doing it.
All right. You're going to end up going to jail. Yep. Tell your mama to come home. You're going to go to jail. Tell your mama to come home.
Getting hit from behind can be your fault, particularly when it involves an unsafe lane change. The Florida Supreme Court has even ruled on this.
People are ridiculous. I gotta go get my kids.
You're going to end up going to jail. It's that simple. I'm going to start looking at it like leaving the scene of a crash. And that's a... Yep. Okay, relax. Okay. I understand. I'm trying to make it simple for you, ma'am. I'm trying to make it simple for you. I'm trying to make it easy
That's
for
not
you.
even right. I'm gonna
Okay.
go get my kids.
Yep.
You don't
Trying to
know
make it
what I
easy,
did.
ma'am.
You just
You're the
said
one making it. You're the one.
you're a good person.
Videos don't
You know
lie.
I am. You know I am. I've never been
Videos
in
don't
trouble
lie.
in
Nobody's
my
saying
life.
you're in trouble.
Don't do that
Don't
to
make
me.
this more than it needs to be.
You don't know what I've been
Don't
through.
make it more than it needs to
You
be.
don't know what I've
Okay,
been through.
just have your mom come on over. She'll see the video.
Talking to me like
Okay.
that, you're crazy. Talk about you're the police. You out here protecting and serving?
Yep.
You don't know what's going on.
Yep.
That man said he hit me.
Nope, that man said you hit him. Okay.
Go talk to the man at the gas station.
The man at the gas station even says the video shows you hitting him.
You go look at the
Ma'am.
video if that's what it says.
All right,
It
go
shows
get your
that he
children.
hit me
Come on
from the
back. Go
back.
get your children. Come on back. All right.
Go inside, Charron. Police, cuffs. Let nobody for police. Nah, you finna come talk to this man.
Yeah, tell your mom she can show up. She can look at the video.
I'm not even talking to you.
Okay.
No, because that's not, bro. Brother, you give me your fucking phone.
While the woman was picking up her kids, additional officers arrived on scene, including a supervisor.
Okay, there's the corporal over there. He looked at the video as well. He's got the same conclusion I came to. Videos don't lie.
Let me
Okay,
let me start
listen.
this. You
I-
called me and said that the man hit my
No,
car.
I told
You
you
called me
that
and
the
said
man
the man hit
claimed
my car.
you hit
That's
him.
not what you
Okay?
said.
The officer's body cam was recording when he made that call.
All right, yeah, I just want to rule that out. He's saying you did, and I just want to take a look at your vehicle, and we go from there.
You're lying.
No,
He's
so
lying.
doesn't matter. So do you got your ID?
If you're lying or not.
Okay, you got your ID. Videos don't lie, ma'am. Ma'am,
You're
if you
not
walk
going to my
away,
mom.
I'm going
You
to arrest you.
you
So
go
come over
talk to
here
my
and
mom.
deal with this. No, I'm talking
Bro.
to you. You're 34-year-old
You're
lady.
lying. You're
Okay?
lying.
It doesn't
You
matter.
are lying.
You want to go to jail. I'm
You're
trying to make this
lying.
simple. It's a simple crash. Don't turn it into more than what it is.
You are. I didn't even do
Okay.
anything.
You did.
No, I did not.
Video clearly shows you cut
Bro,
off a man.
Can I talk to you instead?
You can
Because
talk to the
this is a
corporal.
hostile situation and
You
I
can
don't
talk.
like
You can
this.
talk to the corporal.
No. Yeah,
Okay,
please.
he's just
I don't
an
wanna talk
officer.
to you.
He saw the video. He's going to tell you the same thing.
That's not even what I'm talking about. Can I talk to somebody else?
Nobody lied to you. Okay.
Yes, he did.
No.
Listen. My mom
claimed
is on
you
the
didn't
phone.
hit
No,
him.
I don't
The
want
other
to say
man
anything
claims
to
you hit him. What's going on?
Excuse me. Okay, so listen.
So-
This is what happened. This is what happened. I was driving my car. I came out of Advanced Auto parking lot. I seen him coming. I was in the right lane. I made a big U-turn to come back into the parking lot right here. At that point, I didn't know if anybody had hit me or not. He was behind me. He wasn't in front of me, on the side of me, anything like that. You understand? So then I kept going, and I stopped a little bit, and then he kept following me.
I understand you're
But
upset.
listen.
Can you? I'm standing right here.
I understand. So
Just try
listen.
not to yell at me.
Listen.
like
So
this. Thank you.
my issue is I didn't know that if he hit me or not, and I didn't really know what was going on.
This was 20's headache to begin with.
In my head by a person in my car before. So I kept going, and I came through this neighborhood, came back out. He was still following me. Went on 19. He was still following me. I called the police because I was scared,
Okay.
and that's how they got my phone number. He called me and said, "Oh, the man said that he hit your car,
No.
so I want to come see your car."
Okay. Regardless. Okay. This officer is doing a crash investigation. Okay. We
Bro.
want to keep it simple. You need to give him your identification.
Listen,
Okay.
I'm
You do need to give him your identification because you're a subject of investigation. If you don't, you might incur further charges for
Hello?
obstruction. Miss, can you talk
Hello?
with me?
I'm calm, but this is not gonna
Okay,
get
can-
turned around on me. I
can you
can't be
talk to me
scared
then?
of a white man in America because I've been shot in the head. And
Miss.
then he comes and he tries to turn this around on me like it's my fault, bro. Are you serious right now? I've never been in trouble in my life. You want to arrest me in front of my kids because of something that he said? Like, listen to the call that he
Miss.
called me and said.
Miss.
Please, it does
Miss.
matter.
Miss,
It does matter.
can you hear what I'm saying though?
Oh my God.
Right
This
now,
is
he's conducting a
ridiculous.
crash investigation. You
I
need to
don't have it.
you
I
need to
don't
cooperate
have it.
and give your license.
I don't have it.
You need to give him your identification.
What? No, it's not.
Miss, please come here.
You just said to get my identification, didn't you?
You said you didn't have it, so I
I
was.
was talking to my mom. She said the insurance.
Okay.
So
Is
do you want
is
me
it
to
still
get
a
or
State
not?
Farm? Ask your mom, is it still State Farm?
You want me to get it or not?
Insurance
See,
information.
Listen, now that, bro, I can't stand, bro. I swear to God, this is so stupid. Bro, I swear I could have recorded. I want to take this.
She's going to go inside. She's not going to come back out.
This man literally called me,
Hey.
Mom, and said, this man said
He
that
can-
he hit your car. So I went back up there to
You can
talk
write her
to him,
information down.
and he said that he did.
I don't care. I don't care about that. But this is a hit and run.
Yeah.
So you can take her to jail right now if you want, which is what I would do because she's showing out.
It's not.
Do not go in the house. Come over there and give him your name. Just go give him your name. Just go give him your name.
Ma'am, come here and give him your ID.
Go give him all your information. He can run it. Nobody's playing games. Just go give him your information.
Do you not know my name?
No, but you need to give it as part of the
You
investigation.
know my name.
What is
You
it?
really, literally know my name.
Okay. Well, you look much younger than the photo that's displayed of you. You don't even
obviously
look.
it's me.
So
That's
what's
a compliment.
I will fight this in court because this is ridiculous.
all right? So,
That's perfect.
ma'am,
What is your
What's your first name?
and Information.
You know my name.
can you spell it for me?
You know my name. Mom, I gave them my name 20,000 times. They're playing games out here. They really are playing
Ma'am.
games. I've never been in trouble a day in my life. No. They know
Ma'am,
my name.
I've
They
gotta
know
tell-
the address. They know everything that they need to know. That's it.
This is going to turn
I'm
into.
What? I'm
worse
not doing
for
anything
you.
to you.
I'm being very
See
nice
how
and
you
polite.
do me, bro?
I'm being very nice and polite.
I'm not doing anything to you.
You need to give your information to this officer.
It's the last time
I'm not. He's in my face, Mom.
I'm talking to you
He's
politely.
in my face. He tells me, go get my ID. Now he don't want my ID.
What's
now
your
he
name?
wants me to spell my name.
Yeah.
What else do you want me to do?
Just spell your name. Give me your full name. It's that simple.
All right, let's go. Let's do this.
That's what I'm saying. Why? Now they're arresting me, Mom! Mom!
CD, give us code one out here. Send another unit. We got one man resisting.
He's batting Leo.
Get off my mom, bro! You don't have to hold me. You
Just
literally
relax.
don't have to hold
Just
me.
relax.
Don't get in front of my kids, dog. I didn't even do anything.
Ma'am, how many times did we give you an opportunity to give your identification?
For real, get off me. No!
Grandma's already on the phone.
Where is she at? Hey! Hey! Why are you doing this? Please, please, please let me go. No, please, no, please.
Bro, you're hurting my wrist, bro.
Nobody's hurting you.
Bro, you're hurting my wrist, bro.
Very civil.
Please.
And tried to cooperate with you. Jesus. Come on. You're making this worse than what it is. You've made this worse than you made it worse. All the way around.
I'm not even fighting you.
Get in. Have a seat.
Oh my God, did you break my tooth?
You made this worse than what it needed to be.
Push me.
Move your
You
feet.
push me, bro.
Nobody pushed you. She fell on the ground.
Well, you don't charge the police.
I
Have a
didn't
seat.
charge at you,
Have
bro.
a seat. Feet
Why
in.
are you pushing me, dog?
Have a seat in the
What's
car.
with you, bro?
Get in the car.
Hey,
I'm not going to play games with you, dude.
my man.
Stay in the car.
Ow.
I don't know if there's an adult in their house.
Yeah, we'll take care of the kids. Did you see that whole deal? You saw that she fell over? Okay. All right.
You're good, Corporal.
No. Yeah, no. I'm just making sure that you saw it.
Yeah, she fell. She's
She's scratching out a little
yeah.
bit.
But okay, so this is how she always is. Yelling and screaming on the
Yeah.
phone constantly out here.
A little later, when the woman was being transferred to a police van for transport to the jail, she would realize her son had been arrested as well.
All right,
Bro,
come.
is he
Step
going
out.
to jail?
Step out.
Is he going to jail? Is he going to jail? What did he do? Is he going to jail? Can you answer my question,
Yeah,
please?
he's-
on
yes.
scholarship, please. Why is he going to jail, though?
The officers.
Wait, but what do you
Right, just face this
mean?
way.
Charge them officers and then.
Wait, what? But
You tried to run through officers. Can't be doing that.
he's 16, bro. He's never seen me go to jail. I've never been to jail, bro.
I understand, but he made
Like-
a bad decision. You can't
Are
charge.
y'all serious right now?
Just face the leader. Just face the
Oh
car.
my God.
What is your name?
Diana.
Diana. I got
Are you serious?
Diana, excuse me.
Why would y'all do this?
Do you
Seriously?
have anything in here?
There's a black and mild in there. Are you serious? Are you serious right now?
Diana.
This man called me and said that he hit
Face the
my
so we
car.
can get this done.
This is
Diana, I
crazy.
want to put up from you, then switch the handcuff to the front, okay?
work on my
Give me a second.
What? Are you okay? Bro, listen. Don't you worry about this because, listen, this is nowhere near done, bro. This is nowhere near done. I'm calling my father when I get out of here. Trust and believe in that. This is nowhere near done. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. You couldn't just give me a ticket, bro?
I was trying to do that.
Like, what are you talking
Ma'am.
about? You have my
I
name.
was trying to give you a simple
You have
careless
my
driving
name.
ticket.
You sat there and
We
lied.
didn't have
You
you
sat there
identified.
and lied.
didn't have
You
your
have
driver's
my
ticket.
name. He
Turn and
called
face that.
me.
Stop.
He's
You
the
need
one
to
who
stop.
called. I'm not.
You look a
Trying
lot
to get
younger
away
than the
from
photos
you.
that I was looking at. Okay, you look a lot younger. All right,
What
I
is
wasn't
that
100%
supposed to
sure.
mean?
You look younger.
What is that supposed to
You
mean?
don't look 34. You didn't look 34 to me. I mean, I'm like, all right, I'm not.
Are you serious right now?
100%.
Oh my God! Because I didn't look younger, that's why I'm going to jail.
No, you left the scene of the crash.
Investigation, man. That's why.
What are you talking? I'm the one who called the police. Me, myself. I called the police
Yeah, that somebody
because
was
I was
following you.
scared.
That somebody was following you.
Right. What do you mean? How was I not complying? I'm the one who called the police. Are you not getting it?
I'm hearing what you're saying.
How?
But you didn't cooperate with the investigation. This officer tried to identify you separately.
Bro, he sat there.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to talk to you because he sat there and
That's
lied.
why I was trying to tell
He
you.
lied. He knew my name. I've been talking to him. He called my phone. I even was scared, and then I had to call through the police department.
Yeah.
Bro, that's fine. That's fine.
I mean, leaving the scene of a crash is one thing.
I can't.
The officer charged the woman with leaving the scene of a crash and resisting without violence. She was also cited for careless driving, a civil penalty of $166. She pled no contest to the charges. Adjudication was withheld and she'd be assessed court costs and fees of $520. Thanks for watching. See you on the next ride along.